Welcome to Week 1, Module 1 of our course, CocoaDB Python-based RTL verification. Hi, this is Eva. In this module, we will discuss the importance of RTL verification. Let's get started. RTL verification is a critical step in the chip design process. It involves checking the register transfer level design to ensure it meets the specified requirements and functions correctly before moving on to more complex stages of development. This process helps in validating the design intent and ensuring that the digital circuit behaves as expected. RTL verification is crucial for detecting and fixing design errors early. It saves time and resources by catching issues at the RTL stage, preventing costly and time-consuming fixes later in the design cycle. Early detection of bugs can significantly reduce the risk of silicon respins, thereby lowering costs and speeding up time to market. Common issues detected during RTL verification include logic errors, timing violations, and incorrect design behavior. Logic errors are mistakes in the logical design that cause incorrect functionality. Timing violations occur when the design does not meet the required timing constraints, potentially leading to incorrect behavior at higher clock speeds. Incorrect design behavior refers to deviations from the intended design specifications, which can result in functional failures. Identifying and resolving these issues early ensures a more reliable and efficient design. It reduces the risk of costly redesigns and improves overall product quality. There are several verification methodologies used in RTL verification, each with its own approach to ensuring the design's correctness. Directed testing involves creating specific test cases based on expected behavior. Constrained random verification generates random test cases within defined constraints. Formal verification uses mathematical methods to prove the correctness of the design. Each methodology has its strengths. They ensure comprehensive coverage of the design and catch different types of potential errors. Directed testing involves creating specific test cases based on the expected behavior of the design. This method is straightforward but might not cover all possible scenarios. It requires detailed knowledge of the design and manual effort to write test cases for every anticipated condition. Constrained random verification generates random test cases within defined constraints. This method helps uncover corner cases and unexpected behaviors that might not be considered in directed testing. It provides broader coverage by allowing the verification environment to explore a wide range of scenarios automatically. Formal verification uses mathematical methods to prove the correctness of the design. It provides high confidence in the design's correctness but can be complex and computationally intensive. Formal methods are particularly useful for verifying critical properties and ensuring that there are no corner cases missed by simulation-based approaches. Test benches play a crucial role in RTL verification. They simulate the design under test and provide stimuli to verify its functionality. Well-constructed test benches help identify edge cases and potential issues that might not be obvious through manual inspection. They serve as the backbone of the verification process, enabling thorough testing and debugging. A typical test bench consists of several components, each serving a specific purpose in verifying different aspects of the design. The stimulus generator generates inputs to stimulate the design. The monitor observes outputs and internal signals of the design. The checker compares observed outputs to expected values. The scoreboard keeps track of pass or fail conditions and coverage metrics. The semiconductor industry has established various standards and tools to aid in RTL verification. Simulators execute the RTL code to model the behavior of the design. Popular simulators include ModelSim, VCS, and Xcelium. Waveform viewer display signal activity over time, helping engineers debug and understand the design's behavior. Examples include GTK Wave and SimVision. Coverage analyzers measure how much of the design has been tested. They provide metrics like code coverage, functional coverage, and toggle coverage. These metrics help ensure that all parts of the design have been adequately tested, reducing the risk of undetected bugs. Effective RTL verification offers numerous benefits. It results in higher design quality, reduced risk of costly redesigns, and faster time to market. Additionally, It ensures that the product meets the required specifications and performs reliably in real-world applications. By thoroughly verifying the RTL design, companies can achieve a higher level of confidence in their products and avoid expensive post-silicon debugging and rework. RTL verification is a vital part of the chip design process. It helps ensure that designs meet their specifications, function correctly, and are free of critical errors. Investing in thorough RTL verification achieves higher quality designs and brings products to market more efficiently. Thank you for joining us in this module. In the coming week's module, we'll delve deeper into verification methodologies and how to implement them using Python and CocoaDB. Stay tuned, and let's continue our journey into RTL verification. Thank you for your attention. We look forward to seeing you in the next module.